We're well on our way to building a $200 cost to build robot that can autonomously lay bricks. We call it Leia because it lays bricks. Imagine 8 of these building a single wall. For maximum strength, we would build a 4-side rectangle around rebar and a steel cage, and then fill it with foaming post filler or concrete. This is the same approach the 3D printers use, but with bricks instead of wet concrete. In Japan, they make bricks with semi wet dirt mixed with a concrete and a human powered press. I used a learn by demo approach where I showed the robot how to lay bricks using an Xbox controller. But I hit about 1,000 roadblocks. I'll just cover 3 here. First, the robot took forever to align with the brick, left and right and higher and lower. The human demos didn't work so well here, so I pivoted to a self-learning approach. I had the robot do the same step 20 times and then leveraged the observation and act logs to form an alignment profile. That turned out to be way faster than the original approach. It was really cool to see the robot getting better and better with every trial. Secondly, the robot's motors were terribly inconsistent. One day it would turn left and right smoothly and consistently, even when turning less than a millimeter. But another day it would turn 2 millimeters when I asked only for one. To fix this, I built some simple calibration scripts that would start slow and gradually turn up the speed until the robot moved as slowly as possible. Then I assigned this as 1% speed. The last challenge was dialing down the accuracy with our computer vision model based on YOLO. We used a Jetson Aura Nano from NVIDIA, and it can analyze frames insanely quickly, but many of the frames are blurred. The robot's camera isn't the best, and it's fixed just below the prongs. Leia has only 3 motors. Sometimes the brick visualizer would flicker with the numbers relative to the forklift prongs, especially with gray bricks. This slows things down because we were having to use multiple frames in order to be confident about what the robot is truly seeing. I want a robot that can see accurately while moving. I'm so excited to see 8 Leia robots build a wall within 20 minutes. Imagine helping a low-income person build hundreds of bricks out of dirt and then a house, all within 4 weeks.